Well, we got our jacket on. You know what that means. Test drive. Let's go. Here goes. Well, the car's out for the first time in a very long time. Sounds like a ticking time bomb, but there we are. How's she look? Looks pretty good to me. Well, I'm gonna have to hand bomb this for now. First drive. Drives like a car. Alright, been driving for a bit. I think it's all good to go. I don't know. Let's check the codes after, clear them, go for another ride. But I'm just gonna go turn around up here. We'll get a little boot here. Oh, we got a bunch of crap in the back. A little bit of a pull here maybe, but nothing goes wrong. Test drive done. We're gonna let it cool down for 10-15 minutes, see what codes come back. Let's check. I did see a coolant leak, which I'm gonna have to change, but good sign. No smoke. That's a good sign now. The coolant leak is coming from, I think this is cracked at the bottom, the reservoir. So I had a picture of it yesterday. I'm just gonna let it sit, see if anything drips on the ground, fire it up again, go for another little quick cruise and see where we're at. But she works. A little coolant leak here. I think I have to switch all these, replace all of them, just to be safe. Because a little bit of fresh coolant there. Oh, yeah, there it is. Let's see. You can see from there. There's the drip. So I'm gonna change that coolant line too. It's annoying, but has to be done. And while we're here, let's see. Dripping underneath. Nothing. So again, we'll let this sit. I'll take everything out. And we'll go from there. Well, let's see how the hatch works. And it doesn't. Kind of weird. Very nice looking. That's that, I guess. Let's do another test drive here and check if any lights come on. Okay, let's see what comes up. Just the right brake lamp. Time and date. And I think that's it. Awesome. Probably the coolant stuff. Coolant thing's gone as well. Heat's on. Everything's good so far. Let's do another test drive here and we'll report back. Second test drive good. We're gonna actually take an attempt to take it on the highway. Again, sorry about the rattling noises. I don't know. It's pretty good. It doesn't even pull. Yep. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a shake in the steering wheel. But it does need alignment, obviously. But it's more so when I go up to a little faster. Not pulling me anywhere, but the steering wheel definitely does shake. I don't know if you can tell, but anyways, not a big deal. She's running pretty good. She's a little bit smoky. Smoky, stinky. There we go. There she's leaking. I gotta get that reservoir changed out. That's the issue. You can see down there in this video. Oops, on the ground. There you go. That's the next video, swapping that out. But I'm probably gonna have to change this coolant line there. Not much. Getting close, boys. No more codes. It's a sign. It's a win. After kind of further thought, I'm just gonna go ahead and change the T that's in here. It could just be that. The hose doesn't look horrible. So I think since I have this kit, I'm gonna go ahead and just change the T out, or at least take this out to take a look to see if the T's cracked, which it very well could be because this whole section is all common. I really hope it's not, you know, the line itself, and if so, I might just cut and splice it and put a barb in there. But we'll see once we get this off in the next video. We'll go ahead and change this guy as well. We'll take care of 2 of those things next week, and we'll pop that video online on how to change that whole reservoir out as well. So it'll be kind of be a combo of an update as well as a tutorial on how to take that sucker out. But thanks again for tuning in. We'll catch you on the next one.